Hi student, in this session we are learning about IUPAC nomenclature system. See, we have to see the millions of organic compounds is there, as number of organic compounds in is very big and it is difficult to remember their names individually. Very difficult. Number of organic compounds is there. See, very difficult to remember their individual names also. To overcome this problem, they have to be properly named. See, we have to give a properly name, or they have to be properly named. For this, see, we are calling the international. See, I means international union and of pure applied chemistry. Union of pure and applied chemistry. And applied chemistry. Okay. See, we are calling this is a international union of pure and applied chemistry. Pure and applied chemistry. IUPAC means internationally it should be only one name. One of its had been the chemistry had been formed. One of its responsibility is to name the organic and inorganic compounds in the systematic order. It should be systematically ordered. And see, the basic idea behind the systematic nomenclature is that there should be only one name for the given structure throughout the world. See, one structure is there. It should be only one name throughout the world. See, next, see, also there should be only one structure, only one name, and there should be only one structures for the given name. See, we have to see the IUPAC name. See, number of we are learning N-butane, isobutane, butane. See, 2-methyl propane. See, this like we already learned some examples. But see, here IUPAC names the organic compound consists of 3 parts. See, organic compound consist of is a 3 parts. What are they basically? See, 1, 2, 3. We have to learn the 3 also. IUPAC name the organic compound consists of 3 parts. First one is a root, word root. First one is a word root. See, in your book given the parent. See, parent word. Okay. See, second one giving to the prefix. Next, third one given the suffix. Okay. You already know these words. Word root. See, parent word. See, prefix and suffix. Before the word and after the word. Prefix means before the word. Suffix means after the word. So it is a parent word is there. Parent root is there. See, what is the parent root? We have to learn again. Okay. See, this is a systematic manner. Systematically manner we have to learn one by one. Okay. See, first one we have to learn the parent or word root. See here, first one is a word root. Word root. See, we have to write this English number only. Word root or parent. Okay. See what said here? Parent. It is the number of carbon atom present in the molecule. See what said here? Number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms present in a molecule. Number of carbon atoms present in the molecule are, see, principal chain. See, or principal chain is called see, word root. Okay, word root. See, for example, we have to see the number of word root. Examples. What are they? One carbon is there. We are calling the meth. Okay. Two carbons is there. We are calling the eth. See, three carbons is there. We are calling the prop. See, this is a word root or parent root. Word root or parent root. C4 is there. But. See, C5 is there. Penta. See, we are calling the pen or penta. See, C6 is there. Hexa. C7 is there. Hepta. See, C8 is there. Octa. C9 is there. Non. C10 is there. Dec. See, this like number of words is there, and so on. And so on. Okay. See, meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, deca. See, this like number of root word is there. See, word or root also calling. See, is it clear? Okay. Next we have to go to the next prefix. Okay. Next we have to see the prefix. What is prefix? The substituent in the molecule are shown as a prefix. What say? The substituents in a molecule are, see, shown as prefix. Prefix. Okay. See here, prefix also. Prefix again has a several parts. Prefix again has a several parts. See, primary prefix is there. Okay, secondary prefix is there. See, numerical prefix is there. See, we have to learn one by one. One by one. For example, we have to see the prefix. See, first prefix what said? It is a primary prefix. Primary prefix. Primary prefix. What is primary prefix? What is primary prefix? It is only used for the cyclic compounds. It is only used for the cyclic compounds. Cyclic compounds. And it is a cyclo. We are calling the cyclo. Cyclo. See, we have to see the cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane. See, this like cyclo is there, na? Cyclo. If the compound are not cyclic, this part of the name is absent. If the compound not present, see, this part are absent. This name is absent. This name is absent. Okay, this name is absent. Okay, if I present the cyclo, we have to write the cyclo. See, we have to mention the cyclo. If we not present, what will happen? This part, primary prefix is absent. Okay, next we have to see the second one. Secondary prefix. Secondary prefix. See here. Secondary prefix. What is secondary prefix? Okay. See here, secondary prefix means this tell about the second grade functional group. This tells about the secondary functional group. Secondary functional group. Secondary functional group known as substituents. Known as substituents. See, for example, we have to see the halogen, alkoxy. See, alkyl group. For example, halogen is there. Halogen, alkyl. Alkyl group पर we are indicating the R. Next, for example, alkoxy group. Alkoxy group OR we are indicating. See, this like etc. is there. See, this like we are using, which are written as halo, alkoxy, alkyl. See, we are writing the halogen for halo. Okay, alkoxy पर. See, alkyl group. See, alkyl group we are calling the alkyl alkyl. See alkoxy, please. We are writing the alkoxy. Alkoxy. See, we are writing this like. Means, for example, see, for example, we have to write one example here. See here, number of example we are taking this like. See, propane is there. Propane. See what is 3 carbons is there now? CH3 and see here also. See, we are writing this like only. Okay, 1, 2, 3. See the here hydrogen is there. Okay, here also hydrogen is there. See here one hydrogen is there. Here is a one chlorine is there. Chlorine. See, we are writing the name. See, 1, 2, 3 means 2. First writing the propane. Chloropropane. See, are you getting? See, it is a writing the chloropropane. Means here came the chloro secondary prefix. See, here came secondary prefix. This like number of we are right. See, we have to learn. See, this is about the primary secondary prefix. Okay, next we have to learn. Okay, next numerical prefix. Numerical. When the same substitute multiple bond or so it is a functional group is replaced, repeated twice, thrice. See when the same substitute multiple bonds and are functional group is repeated see twice and thrice, see etc. See, we are calling the it is denoted by see what do you call it? Di, tri, tetra. See, di, tri, tetra. See this like respectively. See this like respectively. We are calling the di, tri. See first already example we took na. See here is a 2, 3, 4 propane only. We are taking the propanes only. Okay. See this like. See here hydrogen is there. Here hydrogen. Here also hydrogen. Here. Okay, you have to write here. See here also chlorine is there. Here also chlorine. We have to write the name. 2, 2 dichloro-chloro-propane. See, this is an example. One example we took. Okay. See, we have to give to the numbering also. 1, 2, 3. Means at second position, 2 chlorines is there. That's why 2, 2 dichloropropane. See, is it clear? Okay. See, we have to learn number of examples. See, this is a one example for you. Next, we have to see the another number prefix. See, this number prefix means this tells about which carbon atoms. This tells about which carbon atom, of the compound atoms of the carbon, see, of the compound compounds, the substitute multiply bonds, the substitutes multiple bonds, okay, what said, are functional group are attached, are functional group attached. See, is there functional group also? We are writing na 2,2 dichloropropane. See, this tells about the carbon atoms of the compound, the substituent multiple bonds or functional groups are attached. See, we wrote now only 2,2. See, here is a number prefix. See, we have to give the number prefix front of that compound. See, this is about the prefix. Okay. Next we have to learn the suffix also. That's why you have to view more and more and prepare the own notes. See, it will be helpful for you. It is a 11th, 12th also. See, this is a most important chapter is there. Okay, thank you.